What's going on, guys? Steve Lake here, and my cat ran out. And today we're going to be showing you my new apartment. I got a lot of help from my mom today, so we're going to check it out. I upgraded to a 2-bedroom, so it has 2 baths. This is basically going to be the cat room, so Sophia just has her stuff in there. This is the 2nd bedroom. Right now it has all of the inventory that I need for a come-up store, so it's a little bit crazy, but it's going to be nice and sectioned off once I finish the move from my old apartment, so everything's 90% of the way done. The other thing too is the clothing that I have left at my apartment, I don't want to move again, so if you guys have been shopping on the store, there's a code down below in the description for 35% off your order, which you can check out down below. Walking into the hallway, we have a closet here. I have most of my winter jackets in there, most of the Stone Island ones. Sophia needs to come out, she's gonna be stuck. Come on. No, we'll come back to it. I've managed to display a lot of my art, so you'll see that finally I kind of have enough space for that. We got a washer and dryer inside there, kind of closed it for the noise. Inside, it's a lofted apartment, so similar to the old one, just a little bit higher ceilings. The kitchen's not quite as nice as the old apartment that I had. There's not as much room, so my mom and I spent a lot of time making the most of some storage here. We got like a little spice rack, which we're making the most of, which has been really nice. So this is the living room. A lot more space. I feel like one Verasky, shout out David, with my mom filming the videos. But I was finally able to display, like I said, a lot of my art. Finally got this Timothy Curtis off the floor. I got my stuff for when I head out to hit the trenches thrifting. Got my UPS bag there. We're gonna bring 2 chairs over from my old apartment to finish this up. But we've got, you know, some of the art displayed on all the walls, which has been great. And we've got these huge vaulted windows, so a lot of natural light, which is great. It's going to save on my energy bill. I also had the TV broken by the movers, so if you place an order on the online store, it'll go towards fixing that. I can't even turn it on to show you how busted it is. So moving upstairs, we've got some more art. These are prints by Timothy Curtis. There's going to be some more coming in May. A lot of you guys have asked me. I paid retail from all of his stuff, but he's debuting some artwork with Murakami in LA this weekend, so there's going to be even more hype around it. In here is a walk-in closet. Right now I don't have all my clothes in it yet, but more space than I'll possibly need. I've really downsized a lot when it comes to that. This is the master bedroom, I guess. Same old bed, same kitten, same furniture, reused everything from it. TV up here they managed to not break, so that was super cool. Got the mirror by the bed so I can wake up and get ready. And then this is the master bathroom. So my mom was super helpful today again, giving me some ideas and inspiration for the space and making sure that we could get enough, I don't know, space where there really wasn't any. So I was kind of spoiled with my last apartment. This one's obviously much bigger square footage wise, but storage wise we had to be a little creative, so we definitely had a good time solving that. So alright guys, so that was an apartment tour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed checking it out. I had a lot of fun moving into this new space, and of course it's always important, at least for me, to kind of have that work-life balance. So physically separating my work into a spare bedroom was super important to me. And like I said, if you guys want to check out the online store, you can. This has been like the 4th apartment tour I've done, so if you want to go back and watch some of those videos, you can as well. Kind of would be cool to do a retrospective one. If you guys have any questions about the stuff in the video or any of the things that you saw, just let me know. I'll answer them down below in the description. Steve Lake signing out. Peace, guys.